he goes. Hey, Bray. Bray, I'm video recording you now.
Okay.
There we go. Now I'm in the shade. Got them all safety harnessed in. Probably a little overkill, to be honest. Don't want to take any chances. Wow, Brayden's being brave. Pardon the quick orientation flip. And that was just for a picture. Sorry if it made you dizzy. Oh wow, that heat. I'm video recording, but you can talk. I just, don't want to say anything embarrassing or private. I get that just because that's recording. What were you going to say?
I was just going to say I'm so thankful to get that done, and
Oh, right.
I think it was a good day to do it.
I agree.
I thank you, and if I can have some time of my own, I will call and ask for help.
Yeah. Yep, it'd be no problem, and I could, might bring I could bring his my fiance, his mom. That'd be a possibility to bring her. My mom. I mean, a lot of us. There are a lot of us that can help you, even though probably more than you would need.
Yeah, probably more. So I'll give you a call.
All right. Take care. I'll get all this stuff out of there. Michael, yeah. My phone number is the 407. I used to live in Orlando, so yeah. What did he think?
It was cool.
Was it scary?
No, it wasn't.
Oh.
He made it to the
Some
very
weird
top.
reason. It wasn't scary.
He didn't say,
It might be because of this.
He didn't say stop or anything. He just said keep on going to the top.
How do you get this off?
Brian can help you.
Actually, I don't even know.
Are you going to put that on YouTube too?
Sure thing. Just this part, just go as slow as possible because it's easy to get hung up.
That was fun. I want to do it again sometime.
Yeah, anytime.
That was fun. Thank you for taking me, Michael.
You're welcome.
Send that to Mom.
Like, subscribe, hit the bell.
What do you say?
Yeah.